Hi, I'm Karyn Hodgins, creator of Nifty Numbers Family Math Night, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a fun project that I do with preschoolers and kindergartners that reinforces the pattern work that we've been doing in math. Now, students are going to be creating a pattern frame, and there's a few things that you need to do in advance to get ready for this. The first thing is you need to create those frames. So each student is going to need one of these, and you can get the craft sticks at any craft store, and then I hot glue gun them together. And then you're going to need to cut 2 magnetic strips for each frame. Now I buy my magnetic strips in a big roll like this because it's a lot cheaper, and then I can just flatten them out a little bit. Now you do not want to put these magnetic strips on the frame just yet, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. Okay. Now you're ready to start the activity with students, and the first thing they need to do is write their name on their frame with a Sharpie, and then they're going to turn that over and they're going to sponge paint the frame. You can see here that I've sponge painted this one in yellow. So now the frame needs to dry, and when the frame is dry, they get to use that bling bling, those jewels, to create that pattern. Now I got the jewels again at a craft store. I just bought it in a big huge bag. To make it super simple for the students to create their patterns, I use inch craft paper, and I have 12 squares here because their frame is going to take 3, 6, 9, 12 jewels. So it's real simple for them to keep it organized and for me to quickly see what their pattern is and then have them explain to me if it's an AB pattern or an ABB or whatever it may be. Now when I clear their pattern, they get to use those jewels. They get to then glue those jewels onto their frame. So super easy, super fun, and great reinforcement for that patterns. Now these make awesome gifts. So you can fill this with a picture of them or some other artwork that they've done, or you can take it to the next level of math and you can create these really cute ladybugs. Now I've also put a video together called Number Sense with Ladybugs, and that's how we've created those. So if you want to continue the math that's going on here, then I recommend that you watch that video and you'll see how we make these. But when you do have that on there, that's when you're going to put on those magnetic strips that I talked about earlier. Now the artwork should have their name on the back, so that because you're going to be covering up, see I have my name on here, Mrs. H. So you're going to be covering up the name that's on here. So their name should be on their artwork, and then you'll be able to put those magnetic strips on. And you want to put those strips on the popsicle sticks that are the highest, because when they put this on the refrigerator, you want it to stick. If you put it on the recessed ones here, it doesn't work quite as well. So it's really fun. There's a lot of math going on here, and they make awesome gifts. So have fun.